pizza stretch. Everyone, place your legs like Victoria out to the side and imagine you're a piece of pizza. Now reach over and grab that piece of pizza from your toes. And what about the other side? Can you reach that pizza too? Let's try both feet at the same time. Did you do it? Let's try again. Reach over to your toes. And the other side to your other toes. And let's do both feet at the same time. Well done. Let's give it one more go. Over to your toes. And touching your other toes. And both feet at the same time. Oh, now I feel like some pizza.